There are a few ways to make money from Facebook ads. 1. Selling products or services. You can use Facebook ads to promote your products or services to a targeted audience. 1. When someone clicks on your ad, they will be taken to your website or landing page where they can purchase your product or service. 1. You will only pay for the ad when someone clicks on it, so you can be sure that your ad is reaching the right people. 2. Generating leads. You can use Facebook ads to generate leads for your business. 2. When someone clicks on your ad, they can submit their contact information to you in exchange for something of value, such as a free ebook or white paper. 2. You can then use this contact information to follow up with them and nurture them into customers. 3. Increasing brand awareness. You can use Facebook ads to increase brand awareness for your business. 3. When people see your ad, they will be more likely to remember your brand when they are ready to make a purchase. 3. This can lead to increased sales even if they don't click on your ad right away. Here are some tips for creating effective Facebook ads. 1. Target your ads to the right audience. When you create a Facebook ad, you will need to choose who you want to see it. 1. You can target your ads by age, gender, location, interests, and other factors. 1. This will help you to ensure that your ad is seen by people who are likely to be interested in what you have to offer. 2. Create compelling ad copy. Your ad copy should be clear, concise, and persuasive. 2. It should tell people what you have to offer and why they should click on your ad. 3. Use eye-catching visuals. Your ad should be visually appealing. 3. Use high-quality images or videos that will grab people's attention. 4. Track your results. Once your ad is running, you will need to track its results. 4. This will help you to see how well your ad is performing and make necessary adjustments. By following these tips, you can create effective Facebook ads that will help you to make money from your business. Here are some additional tips. 1. Use a variety of ad formats. Facebook offers a variety of ad formats, such as image ads, video ads, and carousel ads. 1. Experiment with different formats to see which ones work best for your business. 2. Run your ads for the right amount of time. It takes time to see results from Facebook ads. 2. Don't give up too soon. 2. Run your ads for at least a few weeks before you make any changes. 3. Use a budget that you can afford. Facebook ads can be expensive. 3. Set a budget that you can afford and stick to it. 4. Get help from a professional. If you're not sure how to create effective Facebook ads, consider getting help from a professional. 4. There are many agencies that specialize in Facebook advertising. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.